last class we discussed about the equation of a plane in normal form. Today also we discuss the equation of a plane but perpendicular to the given vector and passing through a point. So ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ equation of a plane ಅನ್ನು derivation ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ but given condition ಏನಂದ್ರೆ our required plane perpendicular to the given vector and passing through the given point. So ನೋಡಿ so ಈ derivation ಕೂಡ important, that is 5 marks derivation. Derive the equation of a plane perpendicular to a given vector and passing through a given point in both vector and Cartesian form. So here we will derive the equation of a plane. So on the plane anna consider ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Derive the equation of a plane. So ಈ plane equation calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This plane ಏನಿದೆ perpendicular to the given vector. So this plane is perpendicular to the vector. So ಇದೊಂದು vector consider ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು vector. ಈ vector ಏನಿದೆ perpendicular to the plane. ಈ vector ಏನಂತ consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ vector n ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Vector n is perpendicular to the plane and ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ passing through a given point. So ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನು ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ a ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. a that is ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದಾಗ x1 y1 z1. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. we shall find the equation of a plane. so ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ consider a plane. consider a plane. consider a plane ಏನಾಗಿದೆ perpendicular to a ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ given vector, perpendicular to the given vector, a given vector ಏನು ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ and passing our required plane ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ passing through a given point, passing through a given point. a point ಏನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ that is capital A. capital A points ಯಾವುದು x1 y1 z1 with its position vector, that is vector A. position vector ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು from the origin to the point. so in the origin consider ಮಾಡೋಣ O, that is vector OA equals ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ vector A, that is vector OA equals vector A. so ಏನು given ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. consider a plane perpendicular to the given vector, that is vector n, and passing through a given point, that is point is A, x1 y1 z1 with its position vector, that is vector A. vector A is vector OA equals vector A. next derivation ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, that is arbitrary point P. let P point is x y z. let P x y z be any point. let P x y z be any point on the plane. let P x y z be any point on the plane with the position vector, with position vector ಯಾವುದು vector r, that is vector OP equals vector r. vector OP means vector OP equals vector r. vector OP equals vector r. next time ಮಾಡೋಣ join AP. join AP ಆ direction A to P ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೋಣ join A and B. join A and B. ಈಗ from the figure vector AP is perpendicular to ಯಾವುದು given vector, that is vector n. since vector AP is perpendicular to given vector ಯಾವುದು vector n. Vector AP is perpendicular to given vector n. Perpendicular means vector AP dot vector n equals 0. Condition for perpendicular dot product is 0. Vector AP dot vector n equals 0. Vector AP can be written as n. Vector OP minus vector OA. Vector OP minus vector OA dot vector n equal 0. Vector OP is vector R. Vector R minus vector OA is nothing but a small a, that is vector A. Vector R minus vector A dot of vector n equals 0. Vector R minus vector A dot of vector n equals 0. This is the vector equation of a plane which passing through a point. Which passing through a point is position vector vector A and perpendicular to the given vector vector n. Equation of a plane in vector form is nothing but vector R minus vector A dot vector n equal 0. In the next Cartesian form. Cartesian form ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ r equals p point, that is x y z, that is vector r equals ಏನಾಯ್ತು x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and vector a equals, that is point a, x1 y1 z1, x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. ಆಯ್ತಾ? And vector n equals vector n equals a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap, where capital A B C A B C are nothing but they are direction ratios, that is constants. Direction ratios of given vector ಯಾವುದು vector n. ABC are the direction ratios of the given vector. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವುದು? ನಾವು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ vector r minus vector a dot of vector n equal 0. Vector r minus vector a dot of vector n equal 0. Vector r substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. Vector r x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap minus of vector a x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap dot of vector n in capital A I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap equal 0. So you can rearrange this equation. Rearrange. First minus order. X minus x1 I plus y minus y1 j plus z minus z1 k, that is x minus x1 I plus y minus y1 j plus z minus z1 k cap. ಆಯ್ತಾ? dot of vector n, that is ai plus bj plus ck equal 0. So ಈಗ dot product ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ corresponding components ನ multiply, that is x minus x1 into a plus y minus y1 into b, y minus y1 into b plus z minus z1 into c. Hence, you know, Cartesian Cartesian equation of a plane is nothing but a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal 0. This is the Cartesian equation of a plane passing through a point x1, y1, z1 and perpendicular to a vector whose direction ratios are a, b, c. So, equation of a plane passing through a point a, x1, y1, z1 and perpendicular to the given vector n in vector form, vector r minus vector a dot of vector n. In Cartesian form, a x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c z minus z1 equals 0. This is the vector and Cartesian form of the equation of a plane which is perpendicular to the plane and passing through a point. Next we shall do the problems. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of the plane which passes through the point 5, 2, minus 4 and perpendicular to the line with direction ratios 2, 3, minus 1. Here we shall find the equation of the plane passing through a point and perpendicular to the line with direction. Perpendicular to the line with direction ratios of that is nothing but vector perpendicular to the vector. So it will be given first point given point x1 y1 z1 x1 y1 z1 equals 5 2 minus 4. It's in vector form. Vector a equals 5i cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap. Next and direction ratios means a capital A equals 2, b equals 3, c equals minus 1. Then n vector n equals 2i cap plus 3j cap plus into minus minus 1k cap. So in given vector A is vector N is now vector equation of a plane. Vector equation of a plane is vector equation of a plane. Vector r minus vector a dot vector n equals 0. Vector r as it is again. Vector r minus vector a. In vector a is nothing but 5i plus 2j cap minus 4k cap dot of vector n 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap equals 0. This is the vector equation of a plane. Next, Cartesian form. So, Cartesian form in formula. In a Cartesian form, put r equals xi plus yj plus za. Substitute simplify Cartesian form convert madodu. Otherwise, we know that Cartesian equation of a plane. Cartesian equation of a plane is a Cartesian equation a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal 0. Cartesian equation of a plane is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equals 0. ನಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. a equals 2, that is 2 into x minus x1 is 5 plus b is nothing nothing but 3 into y minus y1 is 2. Then c is minus 1. Minus 1 into z minus z1 is minus 4. So minus of minus plus 4 equals 0. Next rearrange this equation. Remove the bracket. That is 2x minus 2 5s are 10 plus 3y plus into minus minus 6 minus z minus 4 equals 0. That is 2x plus 3y minus z. 2x plus 3y minus z. Then constant terms ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. minus 10 minus 6 minus 4 is nothing but ಎಷ್ಟು minus 20 equals 0. This is the equation of a plane in Cartesian form. That is nothing but ax plus by plus cz minus d equals 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ equation of a plane passing through a point and perpendicular to a vector, but vector ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ perpendicular to the line with direction ratios ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ in vector form and Cartesian form. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ equation of a plane passing through a. Today class we discuss about the equation of a plane passing through a point x1 y1 z1 and perpendicular to a given vector, that is axi plus byj plus czk equals 0. In vector form, vector r minus vector a dot of vector n equals 0. In Cartesian form, ax minus x1 plus by minus y1 plus cz minus z1 equals 0. Next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ next derivation ಮಾಡೋಣ.